Okay, right. It's going through again now. Okay, couple of problems uploading there. Actually, it's demonstrated one of the good things about FileZilla that I didn't know about. It's automatically recovered from this, and it's going ahead and uploading the file now as we speak. So, unfortunately, my upstream bandwidth is limited, so when I upload a file, it tends to steal a lot of the bandwidth required for the webinar. So I'm sorry that audio tends to get lost during that time. Unfortunately, that's just a fact of life with webinars. I'm sure I'm not the only person that's affected. Right, that's uploaded now. So I can now close FileZilla, and I should be able to get into my control panel. Now I go into the file manager, and the document root for shop.thirdcoach.net, we go there. And if you remember, I made a directory called pweek. Just make that fit. So pweek contains latest.zip, and we're going to extract it now. And that's been done, and we've got a how to install pweek.html, and we've also got a pweek folder. I'm just going to leave that there for the time being, because just in case a problem does occur, I can get back to it easily. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go into the pweek directory, select all, and I'm going to move all those files up into pweek rather than pweek/pweek. And now if I go back up one level, let's see, all the files have been moved across. So the next stage, let's close some of these other windows. Navigate to the URL and follow the prompts. And it's, in this case, shop.fluid-coach.net /pweek/. And now it's going to tell me about the steps. It's going to take around 5 minutes, which is fine. So there's the system check. It checks that everything's okay. All the requirements are met. I'll just make the screen a little bit smaller so that the whole web page will fit. So everything's fine. Click next. Okay, database setup. We've got to set up another database. There's a surprise. So I'll quickly set up a new database. Where is it? Database is there. There's the wizard. pweek FC will do. Generate a new password. I know it's going to be that. I'll add all privileges in. So what's going on here? Why is it not selecting all privileges when I do that? That's not something I understand at the moment, but if there's something wrong, Piwik will tell me. Right. That was the login and the database name. And that was password. The table prefix is fine. Adapter is fine. And I click on go. So add char set equals UTF-8 under the database section of config/config ini.php. Where is config ini.php? There's a sample. Let's have a quick look at that file. Yeah, so it hasn't created a file, so I think that's something we're going to have to do later on. Okay, so we need to add this line to, actually I'm going to copy that entire comment. Okay, I'll remember it. Then next, tables have been created. Next, okay, give myself a name. Enter my password and click on go again. Says it's a password. I click on confirm and it's not a change actually. So I'm probably going to have to re-enter that password. LastPass is not perfect. One installation can actually handle all of your requirements. I'm going through this process just to show you how to install Piwik. And here is the code that you install with an HTML website. Now I'm going to actually use a plugin, but I'm going to, when I try that plugin, I have had a little bit of trouble with it, so I'm going to demonstrate that method as well. Next, it should be completed. Okay, yeah, it's completed except for what we have to do with the config.ini.php. So I will edit that in the way that it told me to do. And char set equals UTF-8 has to be added under the database section. That might not be something that you have to do. Obviously, I don't know. that's specific to the hosting.